Understanding Under the Radar, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, under the radar. This phrase is widely used in both casual and formal conversations, and understanding its meaning can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive in. Under the radar originates from military terminology. Radars are used to detect planes or ships, but sometimes, objects can go undetected if they're too low. When something is under the radar, it means it's not being noticed or detected, just like how low-flying aircraft avoid radar detection. In everyday language, we use under the radar to describe something or someone that remains unnoticed or doesn't attract attention. It can be used in various contexts. In business, a small company achieving success quietly, without attracting competitors' attention. In social situations, someone keeping a low profile at a party. In news or media, a news story that doesn't receive much media attention. Let's see how this phrase works in sentences. 1. Their new product was developed under the radar and surprised the whole industry. 2. He prefers to stay under the radar at social gatherings. 3. The issue has been going on under the radar for years without any public awareness. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few for under the radar: unnoticed, inconspicuous, low-key, stealthy. Be careful not to confuse under the radar with being secretive or illegal. It generally implies a subtleness, not necessarily something negative or clandestine. And that's all about under the radar. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little nuances. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.